Hi, welcome to Vision. Hi. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vision Kitchen Chronicles. What's cooking? Welcome to episode 3, where we're going to be making some fabulous buttermilk pancakes from scratch, you guys. From scratch. I cannot wait to dive into this. Before we get started, let's go over some rules for successful cooking. Number 4, prep work. Before you shop for ingredients for a recipe, do a quick inventory of your pantry. Number 5, do one job at a time. Cooking requires concentration, especially as you are learning. Number 6, clean as you go. This is very important, guys. Put away ingredients or tools when you are finished with them and clean up spills right away. So let's get to it. All right, so for buttermilk pancakes, it takes about 10 minutes to prep and 10 minutes just to let the batter settle. And then you'll dive right into putting this right in the skillet or in a waffle maker, which I'll show you guys later. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blend all of our dry ingredients together first, okay? So we're gonna take 1.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, of course. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And just a pinch of salt. And I just poured it in here, but it's just pinch. Not too much. You don't want your pancakes to be salty. We're not gonna do that. No salt. What we're gonna do is just whisk so we can blend all those dry ingredients up together. Then we're gonna switch bowls here. We're gonna blend all of our wet ingredients in a smaller bowl, which is 1 large egg. Then we have 1.5 cups of buttermilk. We have 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then we're gonna take a whisk and blend those wet ingredients together. Mix it up really good. So now what we're gonna do is bring back in our dry ingredients, and we're actually going to pour our wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Now that we have all of the ingredients mixed in together, we're going to go ahead and whisk all together. And there is the batter, your pancake batter, but from scratch. So what we're gonna do is let the batter sit for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back and we'll get started on our wonderful buttermilk pancakes and some buttermilk waffles as well. We'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, welcome back. We are back and we are ready to go ahead and put our pancakes right into the skillet and the waffle maker. It has been 10 minutes, so the batter has settled. It's nice, fresh, ready to go. Before we get started, I just want to let you know I'm using an ice cream scoop because I want to make sure that my batter is put into the skillet and the waffle maker evenly. Okay, so that's why I'm using an ice cream scoop. Before we get started with putting our batter in the skillet and the waffle maker, I'm going to go ahead and quickly spray the skillet. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and scoop our batter right into the skillet. Then I'm going to move over here to the waffle maker. And I'm going to put 1 scoop. I'm gonna go ahead and let this down and let the mini waffles cook there. Let's do this pancake. Look at the pancake. Yum, yum, yum. Nice, brown, golden, delicious. Oh, put a little bit of butter on there with some syrup. Oh, this is gonna be great. So let's check the waffles. Look at those. We're back. Look at the waffles. Yum, yum, yummy. Nice golden brown, delicious. Syrup all drizzled on there. We are ready to eat. This is beautiful. I know you guys love this. You're gonna love it once you make it at home. Trust me. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, this is bonus for you guys. I'm giving you a bonus tip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue to do pancakes and waffles, but I have something extra we're gonna put in. So we're gonna have cinnamon roll waffles. Oh my God, this is gonna be so delicious. Now we gotta hurry and put the cinnamon swirl in there just a little bit. We're just gonna let the lid down on it and we're gonna let these babies cook. Alright, here is the bonus, you guys. Waffles with cinnamon filling. Cinnamon roll filling in your waffles. You have beautiful cinnamon roll waffles. Oh my God, and they're mini. Telling you all, look at the cinnamon roll filling in that waffle. So delicious. This is your cinnamon roll waffles with chicken. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it for brunch, or you can have it for dinner. But we're gonna dive right on in. I'm gonna give a taste. You can definitely taste that cinnamon roll filling. So just think about, if you don't like cinnamon roll filling, you can just do regular buttermilk pancakes and waffles. Or if you want to get fancy, go ahead and add that cinnamon roll touch to it. It's delicious. I promise you won't be disappointed. And then add your chicken in there for your protein. Nice little drumettes. You'll be definitely fulfilled for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. We'll see you next time. I'm about to dive right into this. This is the bomb. See y'all later. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for tuning in today. It was great showing you this wonderful breakfast brunch idea. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.